Good evening, all. I hope you're having a really good week. This is just a catch up video and some shout outs. I'm not on camera because I'm just, no makeup today or anything. And I've just been having, it seems like a lot of problems, stomach problems, and a few other things. But other than that, I'm trying. I'm just trying. That's all you can do. It's Christmas time, stressful time. Nothing going on special here. I've been trying to get my Christmas shopping done. My daughter bought me that little Santa Claus at a thrift shop. It's so cute. I just wanted to show you a little bit of my life. That's Catman's tree. He's in a video I got. That's my table side. I have Kleenex on there. And my favorite in the wintertime, which is, this is not a plug, Carmex. Anyhow, that's my daughter. She's going to be moving back to Indianapolis in less than 2 weeks. And I'm going to miss her. But she's got to get back to her world with her children, and I'm so happy for that. And she got a job over there, and it pays more, and I'm really happy for her. Can't be selfish. And I wish she could stay here. And not necessarily live with us, but I mean, get her own apartment or whatever. The moon's out tonight. I can see it. Usually we can't see it. This thing is blinking. More light required. Well, I don't want more light required. And anyhow, back to the shout outs. I will be doing videos. The thing about it is, if you guys have noticed lately, that the mail, I don't know if your area, but my area, it gets stuck. And you gotta get a hold of the people who sent it and ask them to, hey, it's been stuck in this spot. Like mine is in Georgia and St. Louis. And they've been there for like 5-6 days. And I'm just waiting on my orders to come through. One's the Believer box, and the other one's Temu. Speaking of Temu, if I can get up and show you something that I did buy from him lately without jiggling the camera around too much. Aren't those cute? I bought these two separate, and that one's, then that big one is my daughter. Sound like somebody was at my door. I didn't know I locked it. There she is.
Hello.
Okay, I forgot she wasn't coming on. She was coming home early.
Who's that?
I'm videotaping.
Oh.
I gotta get something out. Waiting on everything to come, and nothing's coming.
Looks pretty.
Thank you. Anyhow, she just got home from work, and I'm gonna turn my, I don't even know what I was saying. Oh, I was showing you my little Santas I got. I got those just for credit on Temu, so I'm real happy. It didn't cost me anything. And I'm gonna get these, I'm sorry if I'm got the camera all over the place. I'm trying to keep it still. I'm holding it, which is kind of crappy for me because I shake. And I want to give some shout outs. One is to Janice DIY. She does a lot of Temu hauls, and she really needs the subscribers. And she also makes things, so give her a chance. I don't know if I get the chance. I will put their links below. I'll see. It's hard to do on my phone. But it's called Janet's DIY. Just type that into the search bar. She's fun to watch. And another one that needs people, and I'm going through them, I'm sorry, is Living in the Moment. She's a sweetheart. She does all kinds of things. She does hauls, she does cooking, she does crafts, she sews a lot. She's a sweetheart, so give her a chance. It's called Living in the Moment. Another one that I've mentioned so many times is Tinker Wonderland. She does hauls, crafts. She's got 2 cats that she just loves dearly, and she's a really nice person. I think you would like her. Of course, Debbie's Random World. She needs some subscribers, so go over and give her a hello from me. And another one is Blessed GMP. That's Pat. She's a sweetheart. She does hauls and some crafts. She has the sweetest dog, and I think you'll like her. I don't think you'll be disappointed or anything. I know there's so many other people that I need to give a shout out to. One is Gemini Girl 999. She's up in Canada, and my daughter's opening up a box. She got her mail. I didn't get mine. And but anyhow, she's up in Canada, and she is fun to watch. She does hauls, and they have Dollarama up there, and so that's always kind of fun to watch, because of course we can't get any of those things. But another one, well, I'm just gonna wait and name off some more the next time. But anyhow, go over and visit those people, and if you have to rewind and listen to me say their names, go ahead. I already forgot who I said first. That's how bad it is with me. Anyhow, you guys have a great night, and I've got notifications coming down here not telling me how many minutes I've been on here, blocking them. Anyhow, Lacey's got her stuff over there. I'll kind of pan over there a little bit, and she can wave to me and to you. And you guys have a great night. Please like, subscribe, and comment.
Yay!
Yay! And watch my videos, please, so I can get my viewing hours up there and start being a YouTube channel, whatever. And I already am a YouTube channel. I got my subscribers thanks to you guys. I just need some viewing hours, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you all, and have a great night, and I'll talk to you later. All right, bye.